Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Meghalaya's SSLC results hit new heights. Overall pass percentage reaches 87.10%, a remarkable increase from previous years. Centre asked Meghalaya government to address concerns on implications of inner line permit demand. And government open to listen to all viewpoints, including pressure groups and local organizations on railways, says Cabinet Minister and MDA spokesperson Paul Lingdong. The news in detail. Meghalaya's education sector made significant strides in the 2025 SSLC exams, with 341 schools achieving a 100% pass rate. The overall pass percentage reached 87.10%, a remarkable increase from previous years. In 2024, the pass percentage was only 55.80%. This marks a considerable improvement from 2023 51.93% and 2022 56.96%. Among the top scorers, Leisha Agarwal from St. Margaret's and Avila Catherine P. Lingdor from North Liberty tied for first place. This growth reflects improvements in teaching and student effort across the state. Meanwhile, in Ribhoy, out of 5,511 candidates from Ribhoy who appeared for the examination, 4,923 passed, contributing significantly to the district's academic standing. 4 students from Ribhoy secured spots in the top 20 state merit list.
And I want to give all my thanks to my teachers, be it my school teachers and my tuition teachers, because without their support, this would never be possible. And even my family, they have supported me through my dark times in this journey. It's not a journey of my own, it is a journey of my school teachers, my tuition teachers, me, my friends, my family. So all thanks to, them and St. Margaret.
Actually, I didn't encourage our students to use that book because I saw some glaring mistakes out there. But eventually, it was available in the net and all, they have used it. So for those who are in the peripheries or who are in the villages, I think it was very useful. But for city children, I think it would make them lazy to study only this book. The same, it will improve the overall performance, but then when it comes to quality, I think we are not doing great in that, because some of them will start their classes soon because admissions will begin, and these students have to sit and study, and then they'll come afterwards to join class 11, which will disturb them as well as disturb the institutions.
For the first time, Sacred Heart Girls High Secondary School had 3 students in the SSLC Top 20. Quincy Dora Sinkley, who scored 100% in math, thanked her teachers and family for the support. Ivan Shan Nongrom from Sacred Heart Boys High Secondary School also made a strong showing. Both students plan to pursue careers in engineering and science. St. Thomas High Secondary School, Mairang, celebrated its strong SSLC performance, with students ranking in the top 10 and 14. Principal Father Venki Khars Im Yong highlighted the school's emphasis on building confidence, discipline and self-belief. He credited the dedicated teaching staff and modern teaching methods for the school's success.
The subjects also. Kibangila kimilanti sakat kini ki arun engineering kibala wan sakmat ke long keburam kini so kemen kini so tenat pelating baro dan ki kena kibayo 80% ki kembro hakales kiba cross ke 80% ki ada letter marks in many other subjects also kibangila kimilanti sakat to kaningut jinsya tamba kila ki kemla raban poisa kales Ukna jangi badan hangli uladon lepak tu kajing so tenat kajing so haladi ke confidence keladon haladi ben ong bangila ben lebha but kinong hikai jungi kelong very consistent.
The central government has asked Meghalaya state government to address concerns before approving the demand for an inner line permit ILP. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh explained that while the centre is not opposed to ILP, it seeks further clarifications on the implications, citing Meghalaya's current protections under the 6th schedule.
Seeks us to address and to satisfy the centre that we are in a position to actually implement ILP once the centre agrees to it. For instance, it has been the issue of Meghalaya being a transit point has been flagged at several such meetings, and as you are aware, we are also a transit point to states including Mizoram and Tripura, apart from districts within Assam itself.
Suspended MLA Adelbert Nongrum expressed dissatisfaction with the VPP's party's shift on the reservation policy, accusing them of abandoning their initial position. He called for a direct face-to-face discussion with the party, emphasizing that his actions were for the betterment of society.
Suspension ke Shomapi, tani kawai, nganum hun nganum pediang. Ada Pim Court yang ini markmat, toko suspension ke Shomapi. Ada pihak yang ngalak ban appeal nam taban reconsider ia kani ke suspension. Ada kadai on the suspension ru compare court yang ini keren. Habasyat abasai berkum kirang ba. Ini keren lang. Bala kadai banga ngabakla. Ngaong leba jofi media ngan pan map ngan dem ngan ngu ya kita kibrio bakwa ya kata nanga. Dari leba pibakla mapi compare ngan suong forgive and forget. Tari kawai, barka bakadu aku akan pau. Kau belum ke strong message ke bangajukuran po district council, ngajukuran po state government, bangan keren mentai la ke jong ke party. Pikam bak fidei ke Nongrum Blay, pikam bak di ke clean politics, pikam ban wipe out your favoritism, nepotism, pikam bak finu end up ya ke high level attitude. Manong tani kawai, God sees the truth but wait.
Saikat Day, a BCA student at Umshirpi College, was awarded the Bharat Gaurav Puraskar for his contributions to computer science and engineering. Saikat expressed gratitude to his college and mentors, emphasizing the role of AI in solving problems and coding. He aims to study AI and data sciences further.
I got selected by Computer Society of India because I'm the life member there, and due to my cumulative effects of the work I did there, like writing articles, participating in their events, and doing many online courses from various institutes as well. So I think that's the reason I got it.
Actually, he studied class 12 science from here. From that time, I noticed that in this boy, there is some resource. He has talent. So since the Umshirpi College has started preparation towards opening a center for data science and artificial intelligence, so I instructed him to join this BCA course, and many times he shows our wonders, some new some new programs he has written, some new algorithms he developed.
The Meghalaya government is seeking diverse opinions on the proposed railway projects which have faced opposition due to concerns about influx. MDA spokesperson Paul Lyngdoh emphasized the government's openness to listening to all viewpoints, including pressure groups and local organizations.
To allow for a space and a platform for diverse and sometimes divergent views to be expressed. We would like to onboard all stakeholders, those opposed to railways, those who are pro-railways, and those who are neutral to the idea of railways. But we would like to see and view the entire gamut of issues from not just a single viewpoint, but diverse points of view.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh stressed the need to regulate tourist flow to protect the state's fragile ecosystems. The government is working with community-managed tourist sites to ensure the sustainability of high-value tourism while managing crowd numbers.
There already are standing SOPs for regulating the flow of tourists, because we would like to see that a fragile ecosystem is not disturbed and is not compromised. The only issue here is that
a devastating fire completely destroyed a house in Mausmai, Mairang on April 3rd. The blaze consumed all belongings, including 15 sacks of rice. Local MDC Powell Socklet and villagers provided immediate relief, and the incident has been reported to the BDO. Mason Phillips Academy in Tura organized a jumble sale on April 5th to raise funds for the local children's home. The event, led by the Department of Social Work, aimed to generate essential resources for the welfare of children in need. The community came together, actively participating in the sale and contributing to the cause. The Academy is committed to making a positive difference in the lives of children in the home. The fundraising initiative was a great success, demonstrating the community's strong support for the children's welfare. The event continues the Academy's tradition of social responsibility.
This initiative was fully led by our students with the aim of raising funds for children in need. And the proceeds from this sale will be donated to the children's home for both boys and girls. Through this event, our students gain practical experience in organizing and managing a social welfare activity.
In a groundbreaking development, the Indian Army's Tri-Shakti Corps successfully validated the manned-unmanned teaming concept during exercise Sarva Shakti. The exercise demonstrated the integration of manned platforms with unmanned systems at the tactical level, a crucial aspect of modern warfare. This validation represents a significant step towards multi-domain operations, enhancing rapid decision-making and battlefield awareness. The Shat Suk Museum, the dance of peaceful hearts, has officially begun in Meghalaya, marking a significant cultural celebration for the Khasi community. The festival is a vibrant expression of peace, gratitude and unity, held annually to welcome spring and celebrate the harvest season. On the first day, a traditional procession began at Maukar and ended at Waking Ground, Jayao, where prayers were offered to invoke blessings for peace. Hundreds of participants dressed in traditional attire joined in the joyous dances, symbolizing goodwill among the people. The festival, which draws visitors from across the state, highlights the rich cultural heritage of the Khasi people. Over the coming days, the event is expected to showcase more traditional dances and ceremonies. Now for the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 25%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 15.5 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 24.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 41%. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, and the relative humidity is 56%. And the forecast in Tura, Jowai and Shillong says that light to moderate rain is likely to occur at few places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Meghalaya's SSLC result hit new heights. Overall pass percentage reaches 87.10%, a remarkable increase from previous years. Centre asked Meghalaya government to address concerns on implications of inner line permit demand. And government open to listen to all viewpoints, including pressure groups and local organizations on railways, says Cabinet Minister and MDA spokesperson Paul Lingdon. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.